Hi, beauty bunnies. Hi, guys. Hi. Thank you very much for tuning in. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I go by the name Tsholo Koushu, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe because we have some premium content coming up. If it's your first time, thank you very much for choosing this video, and let me take this opportunity to welcome you once again. Welcome to the family. I'm going to be unboxing 3 of my favorite products. 3 of my favorite products. Like, I've been wanting to buy these products, but I was like, I don't have budget for these products, until God was like, I'm not giving you a choice, so this money is definitely for those products. So if you want to see those products, those important products, these are the products that every makeup artist needs. So stay tuned. Product that I am going to unbox, I bought it around December. I bought it in December, but I'm only unboxing it today because I only started using it now recently. It's called a face steamer. It comes with a nose inhaler. This is the nose inhaler. So you open it. This is where you put the water, and then you're going to put this thing. Okay, let me put it this way and twist to close. And then here is one button, power control. This button, you are going to plug it in, and then you switch it on. Here it's going to turn green, and then if you want to steam your nose, you are going to use this part. We're going to install it here. Let me assemble it here. Okay, and then after installing it like this, you are going to put it on a flat surface, and then you're going to steam your nose. The steam is going to come out of here. And then when you are done, let's say you want to steam your face also, you are going to put this one like this, and then you're going to put your face in here, and then the steam is going to come out of these. Do you see those holes? That's where the steam is going to come out. And if you want to control the steam, you're going to twist this thing either to the left or to the right. That's how you're going to control your steam. This is a need for winter. We need to steam. We flu. Yo guys, talking about that, I had flu for a whole week, and I never thought I was that weak. I don't think that do we even call that flu, Mar? Because that flu had me down for a whole week. I was feeling dizzy. I was coughing. Guys, hey, for a moment, I thought... but I was like, that is impossible. So, yeah. You're probably wondering, why is this lady telling us about a face steamer? I mean, it has a few benefits. First of all, in South Africa, it's winter. So we're going to be experiencing a whole lot of... cold sicknesses. So yeah, it's good for that. You can use it to steam your face, and with steaming your face, it gives you a lot of benefits, of which I wrote down for you. I'm just gonna read you guys 3. It's good for skin moisturizing, so it gives you that intensive skincare and inhalation. Number 2, it's good for deep moisturizing, and by doing that, it's going to improve your skin nutritional absorbency. And then it also opens your pores, so that it helps to thoroughly remove makeup, dirt, or any other impurities from the skin. So it's very good for your skin. If you are someone who likes to invest in skin, this is for you. You can get your face steamer for 350. I got it for 350 actually from Take a Lot, but you can get it for 249 now. It's on sale. And you can also get it from all the other Chinese shop, like China Plaza, Intlex, Matlosana Mall, China Mall, any China shop. You can get it for 250. Our second product, this is a makeup cosmetic travel bag. This one, every makeup artist needs this bag, guys. I've been wanting this bag. It's been on my wish list. Yeah, Take a Lot for a while. And then a few days ago, I went to Matlosana Mall. I was actually looking for I was looking for eyeshadow palettes because after winter I'm just gonna be having a crazy schedule. I was like, I need eyeshadow palettes, but we'll get there. I got the ideal eyeshadow palette that I want. It's the most amazing eyeshadow palette, but that's just my favorite product for this video, so I'm going to show it to you guys last. So guys, I don't know, man, there's something wrong. Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah, it's okay. So for now, I'm going to show you this makeup bag. I always see it on Instagram and I was like, girl, it's getting So it has is it open? Oh, let me show you guys. Yeah, it has 3 layers. The first layer, it has, as you can see, a zipper here. You can put anything flat, maybe your blush or whatever. And then this side, you can put, let's say, your eyelashes in here, so that when you look for them, you know, here you can put your eyeshadow palette. Like, it just has a lot of space. The next one, we have this part where you can put all your brushes. It's for it has spaces for 14 brushes, like 14 brush slots, as you can see them, these ones. And then the main here, this one, the main compartment, it has adjustable compartments to fit your needs. As you can see, you can, you know, adjust them the way you want. And my last and most favorite products, guys, oh, I forgot to mention, I got this bag for 430 rand. But it's worth it. It's really worth it. And then, guys, my very favorite, actually the thing that I actually went to buy when I got to that shop and ended up buying this bag, I went to buy eyeshadow palette and I came across this one, the Coco Girl. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly, but yeah, it's Coco Girl Professional Makeup. So this is how the box looks like. This is how the packaging is, and you can get it for 372 rand. When you open it, this is what you are going to see, right? Let me show you guys. Let me take it out so that you guys can see what I am talking about. This is how the box looks inside after removing the eyeshadow palette. So this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. You're probably wondering, where will I get the eyeshadows? And this is how it looks. Look at how beautiful this palette is, guys. Like, it is so beautiful. It saves a lot of space. I cannot believe this. It has a button on top here. You push it up to open it. So you push it down to close, push it up to open. So after pushing it, it releases these two. This is how you're going to open it. And this is how it looks after opening. Right? It's so beautiful. And that is not all. That's not even the beginning, guys. This is how it looks. And then I'm going to open another part. Okay, I turned it around, so let me do this. This is how it looks now. Ooh, why is the mirror closing? This is how it looks. And then that is not all, guys. Let me show you. You also open this part. Here you will see all your 3 blushes. Your blushes. Here are your blushes. And this side you have your eyebrow shades, if you want to do your eyebrows here. That is not all. Let me show you. When you pull it, there are other eyeshadows. Can you guys see? Can you see all of these? all of these eyeshadows, guys. That is not all. Let me show you miracles. And then we have shimmery eyeshadows. This whole part are the shimmery eyeshadows. Can you see? Guys, this eyeshadow palette is everything and more. Can you see how it looks? Just look. Everything and more. Can you guys see what I'm talking about, Mar? This is the best purchase I've ever done for 2023. This is the best purchase, guys. Let me show you again. I feel like you guys are not seeing this. Look, you have all your eyeshadow colors in here. All of them are in here, and you know, it saves space. Guys, what is this? What is this? Yo, guys, this is a jackpot. This is a jackpot. Wait, Mutimu was breaking here. So yeah, I feel like every makeup artist needs this. This thing of carrying a lot of stuff. And look at how easy it is, guys. You just close it like this. Turn it around. There you go. Turn it around. And then you close like this. And then you close again. And then you make sure it's secured. And you can see it's not gonna fall. Like, it's so secured. And it just turns into this cube after closing it. Guys, I feel like this is the nicest thing I've ever purchased today or this year. It fits properly. It fits. Guys, I am loving this for myself so much. I love all these products. This cost me okay, just these two and a few things that I bought were 1,000 and something rand. I was like, so I spent 1,000 rand for 2 products. But then I look at them, I'm like, I don't regret it. Like, every cent was worth it. I really love these products that I bought because they're going to make my life so easy. This bag is so small and it can carry everything. The eyeshadow palette just made things way easier for me. So I just love this. So ke tla ba mogelo o lenjewa, you know, just skulubekenyana to go and do all my clients' makeup. No more dragging that makeup case, you know, it's so big with the different guys, and not having a car was just, you know, something else. So yeah, I feel like these are going to make my life so easy, and I am, you know, I think above everything else, I thank God, because he forced me. It's like, you've been wanting this, but every time you get money, you use it for other things. So today, like, I was there at that shop, like, do I really need to buy these products? But I ended up buying them, and yeah, like I said, I don't regret it. So thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a question or a suggestion, please leave it in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you get notified next time I upload another fire video. And until next time, honeys, mwah.